Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you about the queue function in FeedMe. Queue function means that the restaurant will ready a QR code, allow the customer and scan and pre-order. Then they can walk around inside the mall. When there's a vacant table, then in the system you can assign a table and the customer will receive SMS. Then they will come back and enjoy their meals. Thank you.
First, log into your FeedMe portal, then go to Restaurant Operation. Then in here, under the Operation setting, go to Order setting. Then click on Dine In. Then scroll on the bottom, you'll see there's an Accept Queue. Just turn it on. After that, go to Menu here and click on Setting. Go to My Business, click on it. Then refer to your restaurant URL. You can copy it or customize it. Then copy. Then you can share to your customer or convert into QR code. So to convert to QR code, you can go to the website called QR Code Monkey. On the first one, which is the QR Code Monkey, paste the link that you copied just now, which is your outlet link, and click Create. Then print it out and allow customers to scan it and order for queue. Then once you scan it, it will show like this. And then you can select the order method, which is order by queue. Then you can see how many people in line and you can key in your packs. Let's say I got 2 packs, just click confirm. Then click confirm. Then it will show like this. Then you can allow your customer to pre-order first. You can pre-order for the food. After that, just click pre-order. Then just click confirm. Then in your POS system, you'll show like this. Queue got one which is I scanned it just now. Or you can manually add it. You can add a contact, for example. Then just click confirm, and then with your name and the packs. This is create the queue manually. Then you will receive SMS, it will show like this. This one means that your queue has been accepted. If your queue has been cancelled, it will show like this. Your queue has been cancelled. If let's say there's a vacant table you want to assign it, just drag it, just put on here and release it. Then it shows order create. Then just click send. Then your customer will receive SMS. Or you also can refer to the POS system and call to the customer. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari POS system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Phone, find Seng.
Seng.
找POS system, 找Seng.